It's Friday, January 20th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And if people who work in the tech sector weren't discouraged enough already, another day brings another job cut. Google this time announcing plans to slash 6% of its workforce around the world, or about 12,000 paychecks. Canada's latest economic barometers in from StatsCan hint that consumers are nervous with all the talk about a recession. November retail sales down 0.1% to $61.8 billion, and by 1.1% when gas and motor vehicle spending is excluded. Sales in BC bucking the trend though, showing a gain of 0.9%, second only to Manitoba, which saw buying increase by 1.4%. Oh, but then we have more evidence of a booming job market, with Canada's employment insurance claims at a record low, down 23,000 to just under 400,000 for November, according to StatsCan. BC, though, saw its EI count increase by 1.1% from October, with claims in the Okanagan soaring the most in the country by 16.5%. The more you listen, the more you know. Canada's Business Beat is your daily go-to for the business news that impacts you, with listeners in over 20 countries, on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. Corporate Canada apparently warming up to the concept of a 4-day work week as a carrot to attract and retain staff. A survey from recruitment firm Robert Half finding that 91% of senior managers favor the idea now, with most bosses also expecting their companies to go that route within the next 5 years. An early heads up for TD Bank shareholders. Canada's second largest financial institution reporting that its 12% stake in Charles Schwab has been a winner, adding about $288 million to the bank's first quarter profit, which is due out in early March. A new hope for long-talked-about industrial development on BC's north coast, with BC Hydro head Chris O'Reilly announcing plans to twin the power company's main transmission line between Prince George and Terrace. The bad news, though, is the massive project isn't expected to happen until after 2030. And that will do it for your Friday. Thank you for listening, and tell a friend. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.